Oh yeah, so I got the frame back from powder coat. I got the rear end right there powder coated. I got the whole frame powder coated. Got this front cross member, and now it's time to get it together. It looks pretty good, I think. So first things first, I'm gonna start on this front suspension right here. I actually don't even have the front cross member put in completely yet, and so I'm gonna work on that first. So I had to go to AutoZone, or not AutoZone, Advanced Auto, and get these bolts. I think these are 7/16. I can't remember the specifications for them, but they're grade 8, 7/16, inch and a half, and these are for the bottom rail part of it. I actually realize now that I forgot 2 bolts for the top part. I got these 2 for there's 2 that go on the bottom here that go into this welded nut right here. I'm gonna have to put the like what they are specifically in the description, but then there's 3 that go into the bottom rail, and then there's 2 that go in this top rail that I didn't even get. So let me probably have to put those in later. But anyway, and so as you, I'll put you inside here so you can see. Let's see here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's 3 to go here, and 2, there's 1 here, this one here, and then this one here that go in from the other side. I'll give you the torque specs in a minute when I tighten them down, but right now I'm just getting them in there. And again, I got these all from Ace Hardware. Bottom ones are 5/8. These are not 5/8. Nine 16ths. All right, so we need a 9/16 socket for that. I need a 5/8. fit. Good. Let's get you back a little bit. So I'm about to do this whole cross member here. All right, so we'll get on the upper lower control arms. These things put on. Got these like camber adjustment pieces from POL. So these are cool. Not expensive, but cool. Maybe less. So I'm just gonna put these on for now. And just have one there. I'll if they need to be adjusted, I'll adjust them later. So I'll just put them on just so I have them on there. Don't lose them. Move this out of the way. Let's grab the, I'm gonna go grab the lower control arm for this side. This is the other side. Yep. Shot them out on that side. So this goes on this side. Alright. Got that. So this one goes on this side. Shot them out on that side. There we go. That's right. So I got these from CPP. They're pretty cool. Doesn't come with the bolts though. Would be very nice if it did. But it doesn't, so it's all good. No, there it is. Might actually put that one on. Might actually put that that one on. It's gonna be a beast to get to later. It comes with all of those, the cotter pin and the grease fitting here. Yeah, so there's some spaces I'm gonna have to put in here. Bring that off a little bit. It's hitting it right now. Not on the front, but on the back. But it's all good. Hey y'all, I wanted to cut in here and show you kind of what I had to do to make it fit here. I had to get some of these, I don't even know what they're called, spacers. I don't know if you guys, how well you can see that. I'll make sure I zoom in. I used the POL pieces in the back, like the spacers in the back for like the camber, and then I had to put some spacers in here. What I did is when I took off the old ones, I kept them, and then I just made sure that these were about the same width on the front and back as those, and I put new ones in here. And so I'm kind of like going through it on the video that you're watching right now, trying to figure it out, but eventually that's what I ended up doing. So thanks for watching. Get this spring put in here. Get the help of my jack, my trusty jack here. Trusty jack. Get some wood or something. Scratch it. I don't realize how these go in there. I feel like there should be something that goes into it. Oh, I see. I see now. I see now. Alright, it kind of goes, it does have a thing that goes onto there. So it's kind of like that. You know what? Gotta take it. That's why you always see him put the top on first. Now if only I had the castle nut ready, huh? Idiot. top of the thing here. All right, here we go. Learning the hard way with me, man. Let's see here. Press forward. There we go. Just enough to catch it. And let's. I got it. There we go. Look at that. Look at there. Yeah. Nothing is tight. Nothing is tight. It looks like it's in there pretty good. Yep, that's it. All right. Well, that's one side semi put together. It's not in any way fully put together. I have to go get the torque specs, figure out what they're all supposed to be torqued down to, and then it'll be on there. But that was a lot of, it's a little bit of work. Anyway, fun times. Yeah, so let me go get all the torque specs. I'm gonna write it down. I need to go find the piece that went here because I actually took it off and did the right thing, but I don't really like these. Anyway, driver side front, driver side rear. So front rear over there, but over here I didn't do that. I did it, I just don't know where it is, so I'll get back at y'all.